everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious asparagus and bacon stir fry. The ingredients, I will list them in the description box below. So first I will slice some bacon. Here I have onion, pepper, ginger, garlic, some asparagus here. I will heat the pan, and once the pan is hot, I will add in the bacon. And let's stir cook the bacon until all the fat are come out and the bacon is crispy. I will add in ginger, garlic, and pepper. Then stir them together. Look at that, all the bacon are very crispy right now, and all the ginger, garlic are fragrant enough, so I will add in the red onion. Let's mix that, stir them together. Now it's time to add the asparagus in there, and I will give it a quick mix together. That looks really good, and I will cover the pan and let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes or until the asparagus is a little bit soft. Then I will take it up and stir them together. Add 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. Continue stir the asparagus and mix them together, and make sure every piece of the asparagus is coated with the flavor. And now I will add in 1/2 teaspoon mushroom seasoning. Let's give it a quick stir. Add about a tablespoon or 2 of water. Then add in some chopped dills. Now the stir fry looks really good, and let's take a look. The smell is amazing, and look at that, how beautiful and green is that. This is such a great and healthy dish, so let's transfer it to the plate and we'll get ready to be served. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. That will help the YouTube algorithm to push my video to more people so that a small YouTube channel can grow. Thank you so much for all your support. I appreciate that. So now look at that. I will sprinkle some toasted sesame seed on the top to make it more beautiful and even bring more nutrient to your dish. Here is the final result of my asparagus stir fry with bacon. It's simple, little bit spiciness in there. Super delicious dish. Give it a taste. I eat with sticky rice. Oh my god, it's super tasty, and you should try this recipe. Enjoy!